You have a special menu for this weekend, but how many of your regular customers will see it? That's the problem. So instead of waiting for customers to find my weekend offer, I am taking the offer directly to them on WhatsApp. And look at this. This is exactly what my customer receives on their WhatsApp. A proper weekend special message, food prices, offer details, and specific customer name also. And you know what? I can send this campaign to all my selected customers from a single WhatsApp broadcast. So whenever I have a new weekend special, I don't have to manually message every customer. I simply create this campaign, select my audience, and send the offer directly on WhatsApp. And that's exactly what I'm going to build in today's tutorial. I'll show you how to create the weekend offer message, select the contacts, configure the broadcast, and send this campaign step by step. So if you run a restaurant and want more customers to know about your weekend specials, then let's build this WhatsApp broadcast campaign from scratch. Alright, so now I am inside the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. See, broadcast allows us to send the same promotional WhatsApp campaign to a predefined list of contacts at once. So for a restaurant, this is perfect for promoting weekend specials, limited time offers, combo meals, or special discounts. Now let's create our campaign. First, I'll click on this plus add broadcast button, and this page is going to be appear in front of me. Here at first, you need to select the broadcast type that I'm selecting as broadcast campaign. After that, enter the name of the broadcast in this field. I'll enter as weekend special offer. Next, you need to select the audience, means your contacts. It will provide you two options as choose existing contact list and upload a CSV file. Now, what is CSV file? See, CSV file is the simplest format of file that contains the data in the simplest format. I'll show you how it will look like. See, this is the file contains all of my customers' first name, last name, and phone number in the simplest format. For creating a CSV file, you can use Excel or Google Sheets. Here I have added my customer's contact inside Google Sheets. After successfully adding the contact, you need to click on this files option and download the file in a CSV format. Because only CSV files are allowed with a 50 MB size limit and maximum of 2 lakhs contacts, means you can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. So this is how interesting this single tool is. And you know what is the best part? That you can also create this exact WhatsApp campaign along with me by watching this tutorial by using Pabbly Chatflow free trial. And after trying the tool, if you found it useful and creates a mind to purchase its subscription plan, then don't pay the regular price. Simply use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout to get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. See, for uploading a CSV file, you need to click on this option, click on this add new file, and upload the file from your gallery. I have already uploaded one, so I'm selecting this one from here and clicking on this insert button. After that, simply scroll down, just click on this import and use contacts button. Here I'm going to select the audience as choose existing contact list and selecting this leads list here. See, I have already created this contact list before. Now for creating a contact list inside Pabbly Chatflow, you need to go inside this contacts feature that are present on the left hand side bar and click on this plus option. See, I have already created some list before, and this is the leads list that I am using in this tutorial where I added only one contact just for an example. Moving forward is the refined audience. See, if you want to exclude the contact list, you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that list from here. And if you want to exclude the specific contact that you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that contact from this drop down. After that, you can enable this toggle to skip those contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours so they don't receive a broadcast message again. Now comes to the most important part where we need to select the message type. It will provide you two options, name as pre-approved, template message, and regular message. You can also send a regular message by selecting the message type from here as well as enter the content in this field. But the regular message can only be sent if the 24-hour conversation window is active, means a customer has already messaged you on WhatsApp within the last 24 hours. Then only you can send the regular message. But if the 24-hour hour window is inactive, then you are not able to send this regular message. On that case, you have to go with the pre-approved template message, because templates are approved by Meta and they followed all the WhatsApp guidelines. After that, you need to click on this select WhatsApp template button and select the template from here. See, I have already created this template before by the name of weekend special offer. So I'm selecting this one from here. Next, in this body field, I'm going to enter a dollar symbol with name. See, with the help of this dollar symbol, automatically in place of this variable, the customer's individual name will come. So that's how this variable works. After that, I'll click on this done button. See, this is the final look of the template that is going to be delivered to your customers. Now, for creating these type of attractive templates, you need to go inside this templates feature of Pabbly Chatflow, as everything is present inside this single tool. Alright, so this is the templates feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Now let's quickly understand what the templates is. See, templates are pre-created WhatsApp messages that you can use for your broadcast campaigns. You can add your offer details, images, buttons, links, and other information to make the message attractive and useful. Once your template is ready, you can select it while creating your broadcast campaign and send the same promotional message to your selected customers. For creating a new template, you need to click on this plus add template button. After that, just click on this add template. Select the template category from here, enter the name of the template, also choose the language from here. After that, select the variable type that I am selecting as name. Next, you need to select the template type. It will provide you multiple options. Here I am going with the text. Enter the header here if you want to. After that, simply write the message content in this template format fields. Here I have added, and inside this content, I have used the variable called name, and I entered it inside two curly brackets. As I have used the variable here, it will automatically comes here. Now I'm going to enter a sample value as name. With the help of this variable, automatically the customer's name will come, and we use the dollar symbol before it. Moving forward, if you want to add any footer, then you can enter it here. Also add the interactive action. After that, simply click on this submit button. Once your templates get approved by Meta, the status will come here as approved. So that's how easily you can create a template. Now after selecting the template, next we need to test our broadcast. So to do this, I'm going to enter the contact name as test user and my number in this field, just only for the testing purpose. See, after entering my number, I'll click on the send test message button and see, it says that test broadcast sent. Now let's check my WhatsApp to see whether we have received this template or not. See, automatically I received the exact same template on my WhatsApp and includes my name as a test user. Exactly same that I have entered here. And look at this template, how attractive it is related to this restaurant. As I said, I have created this template by my choice, but you can customize it based on your own restaurants and offers. As we have successfully received the template on our WhatsApp, this means that till now our broadcast campaign is working perfect. After that, you need to schedule the broadcast. See, if you want to send this templates to all of your customers immediately, then you will select this option and click on this plus add broadcast button. But here I'm going to schedule this campaign for later. So to do this, I am selecting this option. Let's say I want to schedule this campaign on 30th of August at 5 p.m. See, on 30th of August 2026 at 5 p.m. this template is going to be sent to all of my contacts that are present inside this list. See, next we have the automatic retry of failed contact. See, if the message fails to deliver to any contact, then you can enable this option to automatically try sending the message again. You can also select how many times you want to retry and the waiting time between each retry, so you don't have to manually find the failed contacts and resend the message yourself. Here I am setting the number of retries as 1 and the wait between retries as 12 hours. After that, I'll click on this plus add broadcast button. So that's it. Our weekend special WhatsApp broadcast campaign is completely ready. We created a professional message, selected our customers, configured the campaign settings, and also set up the automatic retry or failed contacts. Here you will clearly see our campaign is scheduled successfully. You can also view the status of your broadcast by clicking on this view stats button and export the report from here. So now that whenever you have a weekend special, limited time offer, combo meals or any new dish, you can use the same process to promote it directly on WhatsApp. So instead of waiting customer to discover your offer, you can take the offer directly to your existing customers. And that's how you can use WhatsApp broadcast to promote your restaurant's weekend specials in just few simple steps using Pabbly Chatflow. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.